Hey there, folks, this is Margaret Klein coming to you live from Titusville, Florida, and this is one of my listings. I'm at 1545 Lafayette Avenue. Got a brand new roof on this one. Going to give you a little bit of a span of the area just so you can kind of see the neighborhood, and I have heard that this is the best neighborhood ever. The only reason these people are moving is because they moved here to be near the grandkids, and then the mom and dad had to move and took the grandkids someplace else. So they've got to follow. So we are stepping into the living room area. Cute little desk area set up there. It's a huge room, so they've got big furniture in here, as you can see. Plenty of space for everything. Super cozy home. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath home. Single car garage. Going to get a quick look at this kitchen area, which is amazing. Stainless steel appliances, brand new convection oven, and that oven not only cooks, but it is an air fryer, which I guess is cooking too, and then a dehydrator, so it's got some cool features. And then the sink, nice big deep sink, pretty cabinets. See, they like Disney. Super cute. Gotta like Disney if you're here in Florida. So, nice big fenced in backyard, and as you can see, we've got a nice patio area as well. So you can sit in your screened patio area, completely covered, enjoy that backyard, listen to the birds. While we're here, we are going to take a quick peek out into the garage so you can take a look. Single car garage, but it's pretty long. Again, they are in the process of moving, so lots of stuff out there. AC, so you can see that it's nice and pretty and shiny. And we are going to swing back around here. And again, through the living room, you can get a grip on where you're at. That was the front door that we came in there. And we are going to continue down the hallway here. And we have an amazing bedroom here. This is not the primary, but it's definitely big enough to be one. So we got a huge room, lots of space there. And into your guest bath. Super cute. This one has just the tub. Looking at it and saying it wrong. Just a shower. So you've got a shower in your guest bath. And then we'll come over here to the primary. Again, huge bedroom, big furniture, nightstand on each side of the bed. So plenty of space, big furniture everywhere we look. And into your primary bath. Again, super cute, updated. And then this one has your tub shower combo. So best of both worlds. You get a tub, you get a shower. 2 really nice sized bedrooms, huge backyard, completely fenced in, brand new roof, just always a plus. So brand new roof, only $250,000. So we've got an amazing price on this one. And again, great neighborhood, great neighbors. Back to this kitchen so I can wrap up, give you a good look at that while we are speaking. We're again at 1545 Lafayette Avenue here in Titusville, 32796. And we would love to show you this one in person. You can give me a call, shoot me a text. My name again is Margaret Klein, and my number is 321-480-7662. Would love to give you a personal tour of this gorgeous home. And thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe for more homes here in the Brevard County, Florida area, also known as the Space Coast. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.